Learning to invest smarter with Algo or Quant Trading. What is Quant Trading and how can one use such a tool to complement one's current strategy? Welcome to Investing Explained, where we make your money work harder for you. Quantitative, or what we call quant or algo trading, is the process of utilizing one's investment philosophies and strategies by means of applying mathematical and quantitative methods to evaluate financial products or markets. A quant trader relies on mathematical computations and statistics to form quantitative models and to process information through computers in order to achieve automatic or semi-automatic trading. Now, how can you do this on Moomoo's desktop version? We'll show you. Hear directly from our trading representative. Take it away, Juncheong.
Let's get to it, Olivia. Open Moomoo in Windows and click on the Quant tab on the left. All it takes is a few simple steps of clicking and dragging to set up a quant trading strategy and carry out backtests and live trading. The onboarding task will be initiated once you click the Quant tab for the first time. To start, you need a condition and an operation to establish a basic strategy. This includes two important elements. One, what condition to meet, and two, what operation you like to execute. For example, in the onboarding task, the strategy will determine whether a golden cross occurs in an MACD of trigger symbol 1. If yes, a market order of 5,000 shares will be placed, and if no, no operation will be executed. Also, click on Tutorials on the top right-hand corner for more educational tools.
The moving average convergence divergence that Juncheong just covered measures the divergence or convergence between two moving averages. Now, it's considered a momentum indicator that can help spot changes in the strength, direction, and duration of a price trend. So, Juncheong, what platforms on Moomoo is this quant feature available on?
Well, Olivia, Moomoo Algo is supported by Windows Desktop for now, but definitely stay tuned for more updates and future availabilities. Backtest and live trading are supported, excluding paper trading for now.
Next, how does one then understand the strategy running framework of Moomoo Algo? Let's start with the trigger symbols and the logic of strategy cycles.
Every strategy has at least one trigger symbol. Click Start Card and you see it in the property bar on the right. Click Backtest or Live Trading, and then you can choose a real trigger symbol in the settings window as trigger symbol 1 above. One important role of the trigger symbol is to drive the cyclical running of the strategy. Therefore, you will also need to set interval between two rounds of running. For example, set a strategy as Apple and run once every tick. It means that the strategy runs once for every time Apple has one tick. When the strategy runs, an order of 5,000 shares will be placed if the golden cross occurs in the MACD. At the end of each round of running, this strategy will wait until Apple has another tick and will trigger another round of running.
Great explanation, Juncheong. Now, you may want to also explore multiple trigger symbols and groups in backtest or live trading on the canvas. Now, how can one start to build a strategy on the canvas as a new quant trader?
Absolutely, Olivia. First of all, we must identify the conditions under which we want the strategy to open and close positions. Let's take the double moving average strategy as an example.
For those who need a recap, the double MA strategy is to buy when the shorter term moving average is above the longer term MA and sell when the shorter term MA crosses below the longer term MA.
Exactly. Now, with this in mind, let's quickly figure out the path to open and close positions. The upper path is to determine when to open positions, while the lower path to close positions. When the moving average 5 is above the moving average 10, open a position, and when the moving average 5 is below moving average 10, close all positions. In order to make the whole strategy more robust, we add a condition on buying power before opening a position to ensure that the order will not fail due to insufficient buying power. By summarizing the above idea into a methodology, you get a general template for simple strategies to open and close positions. To create similar strategies later, you only need to apply the template and fill in the corresponding conditions to open and close positions. Back to you, Olivia.
With this idea in mind, you may find our double MA strategy not so hard to understand. You can also look into adding 2 positions and setting take profit and stop loss conditions, which we will cover in the upcoming episodes for Moomoo Algo. There's so much you can do with the tools powered by technology on the app, so definitely explore and keep learning on how you can utilize them to invest smarter. We care for your financial well-being, so follow us. For more videos like these, remember to like and subscribe. Let's get to work, everyone. Have a profitable day. And strategies by means of applying mathematical and quantitative methods.
And future availabilities.
Side, more side.
More side.
No, your head.
Oh,
No, like, stay tuned.
and stay tuned.
Yes,
okay.
this one.
Okay.